So if you've been looking for that unique property and you want to be close to downtown Orlando, minutes away from everything else, restaurants, bars, movie theaters, grocery stores, this might be your location. This is also an up and coming area that is being completely developed. So this is your time to buy that hidden piece of real estate in this beautiful state of Florida. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Julie Mar, your favorite Sirhan agent here in this beautiful state of Florida. Today we are in the heart of Orlando, Florida, College Park to be more precise. This beautiful 3-story townhome that I'm about to show you has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It has an amazing rooftop and top of the line high-end finishes. So stay through this whole video because the last thing that I'm going to show you is going to be that beautiful rooftop. Come with me. Let's take a look at this luxury modern kitchen where you're going to have a beautiful pantry right through here, double ovens, beautiful stone countertops, really nice high-end cabinets, and top-of-the-line KitchenAid appliances. And as you already know, one of my favorite features is gas stoves. So I absolutely get super excited when I find gas in Orlando because it's not super common. So Florida is a lot more on the electrical side of appliances, but when you have gas appliances, it's always much better. So as you can see, you have cabinets all the way through the ceiling, which gives it that extra elegant touch. Really nice refrigerator, and as you can see, this beautiful living space. As you can see from the tour, you're going to have your dining room right there in the middle, dividing the kitchen to your living space. This beautiful living room is really nice. Lots of lighting coming in. You're going to have a half bathroom on this floor just so that you don't have to give access to all your guests to go upstairs to the bedroom area or even downstairs. So like I mentioned, this is a 3-story townhome. You're going to have your first floor is going to have a bedroom. The really cool thing about this bedroom is that it's going to be on the first floor, just seconds away from your garage. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that garage too. But again, this beautiful townhome has a space for you to have a bedroom in the first floor right next to the garage with its own private bathroom. Then you're going to have the second floor is going to be your entire living space. Third floor is going to be the additional 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including your master, and your 4th floor actually is going to be your amazing rooftop. Now let's take a look at the garage. Now we're on this 3rd floor where you're going to have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Each bedroom in here basically looks like a master. It's super nice. Take a look at the size of this bedroom to be on a townhome. Take a look at that closet. That walk-in closet is really spacious for the size of this floor. Come take a look. Look at the finishes, guys. This is actual glass with black finishes, beautiful tile, really nice shower. And one of my favorite things is when the tile goes all the way to the ceiling, because again, it just gives you that extra elegance look. Now let's take a look at the other bedroom. That if you like properties like this, you need to go ahead, follow the link below, click like, follow us on all of our social medias because sometimes we only put some of the properties in specific social media accounts. So we do have several ones. Go ahead, click the button below, subscribe. Don't say that you missed a property in Orlando just because you didn't follow me. We're inside this beautiful 2nd bedroom, and as you can see, it's very similar to the size of the other one. Same size walk-in closet and same size bathroom. I definitely do love the different style of decoration that they did. I love the amount of windows that this builder put in here. And then again, a really nice size walk-in closet for your 2nd bedroom. So really nice. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So right here, we're going to have beautiful accent tile on the floor, really nice cabinetry. And then same thing that we saw in that big master, we're going to have tile in the shower all the way to the top. But what I really like is that this bathroom actually has a tub, because you are always better off when you have shower and tub combinations in a home. Now, I'm super excited to go show you guys that rooftop. But before we do that, let's take a look at the laundry. So for a townhome, I really like that they put the laundry in the second floor, just where the main 2 bedrooms are, because it's much easier to distribute the laundry throughout the house. And it's a really nice size. Even though you have 2 full-size washer and dryers, there's still space to walk around and organize things. Now let's go upstairs. All right, guys, are you as excited as I am to see this masterpiece? Come. And welcome to your own private rooftop in the city of Orlando. Come on. I absolutely love that even though you don't have a yard, you have this amazing rooftop with the full-size kitchen back here, outdoor kitchen. And then look at everything you can see from up here, all the furniture that you can accommodate. You even have a dining table for outside. Guys, this is amazing. This is a really cool project. We don't really have projects like this in Orlando. So if you've been looking for that unique property for a starting price of $690,000 and you want to be close to downtown Orlando, minutes away from everything else, restaurants, bars, movie theaters, grocery stores, this might be your location. This is also an up-and-coming area that is being completely developed. So this is your time to buy that hidden piece of real estate in this beautiful state of Florida. See you on the next one.